Guaranteed designs, guaranteed solutions, with a guaranteed process. You can forget the pain of broken promises and half-hearted solutions. I am glad you found us. I'm Bert Sarkkinen, owner of Aero Timber Framing, ATF for short. In 2002, a client asked me to do some timber framing. I basically fell in love with the craft while doing research at the local library. Since then, we've developed a proven process that's worked time and time again to get our clients beautiful, balanced timber frames. So you get a system to figure out exactly what your style is and how to capture your unique style in a long-lasting timber frame. As with all of our projects, we will do the work for you. Even builders and homeowners on a tight budget have invested in ATF timber packages because the ATF system holistically designs and balances the timber elements with the entire project. Sometimes we will suggest changes to the roof lines or the walls to create solid, unified beauty. Now, this could be the difference between a fast resale at a higher price versus a project that is just tough to sell. This could also be the difference between your 100% satisfaction and enjoyment versus a mediocre ending. Don't get into a high-risk investment. It would be tragic to hear you say that my timbers turned out okay, but they were too high, or too heavy, or too light. Much better to be just right.